Okay, well, I got my signal lights and horn and headlight and brake light, tail light all hooked up. Just gotta clean up some wiring, but here's the back end. So I'm gonna kind of go through it, but I can't do a lot of them because of I got the brake handle I can't reach from back here. So anyway, here is, so when I turn the headlight on, the tail light comes on as well. So there and there. So that's headlight. It's not terribly bright, but it's okay. Horn is connected in the tail light. Not super loud, but okay. Now we got our left signal. So that one's connected here. And the weird thing is there's this blue amber light, but anyway, it looks kind of cool. And then that's that one. And then I can shut them off. And I can do the right signal light. And the right signal light there. And then I can put them both on like hazards as well. Okay. And then if I turn the headlight on, that comes on. And the only other thing that I can't really show you is the brake light, because it's just, I should have prepped this. Is that okay? I don't know if the brake light came on or not. Yeah, now the brake light is on. So this top piece is the brake light. I kind of wish it was the other way around, but it works.